Hello everybody, my name is Paul Flannery and I'm Chief Operating Officer of the International Yacht Brokers Association. We're here today to talk about Yachter. Yachter is a new digital platform that allows you to shop for boats, big or small, in an elegant and well-presented manner. All the boats on Yachter, over 15,000 at this present time, are curated, meaning that you can be sure that that boat really exists. And when you see that boat on Yachter, not only will you have an elegant presentation as to all the information about it, photography, specifications, digital floor plans, links to articles in Power & Motor Yacht magazine, all sorts of different information about the boats, but also the direct contact information for the person who's representing that boat for sale. You don't have any churn, you don't have any friction, you don't have to fill out forms unless you choose to. You do have the provision for that, and you can send in an inquiry, but you can contact directly the person who has the most knowledge about that boat. Yachter is owned and operated by the association. We are not-for-profit, and our purpose is to provide services to our membership and enhance consumer protections. This is a product that we've designed for the consumer. Eventually, you'll see Yachter as a hub for boaters to come to learn about different regulations, different boating skills. If you want to buy a belt or a pair of shoes, if you want to buy a fishing rod, if you want to buy a 50-meter Bonetti, or if you want to buy a 15-foot runabout, you'll be able to find all of it on Yachter. Go to yachter.com today. If you don't go to Yachter, you'll miss the boat.